Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to ABC All Baking and Cooking. Today we're gonna make easy banana bread. Oil it up bread pan and keep it aside. Then take a bowl and add 2 cups of all-purpose flour in that. After that, add 1 pinch of salt and finally add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Now we have this is the key thing that we have to sift it thoroughly so that we can create air pockets in it. That helps in fluffing up the bread. Take another bowl and add melted butter, which is half cup, and then add 3/4 cups of brown sugar. So after that we have to mix it up. You can do it with your hands, but it's easier. Then add 2 eggs and again mix them up until the mixture gets fluffier. Also creates air pockets in it, and all the sugar granules are disappeared. Now it's time to mash the bananas. So actually we need 2/3 cup of bananas, so depends on the size of your available banana. So I have added, I think, 5 bananas, and that made the 2/3 cups of banana mash. And one more important thing is that you have to take the bananas which are fully ripened. And we have mashed the bananas, and now we're gonna add that banana mash into our butter, sugar and egg mixture. Okay, now after adding the bananas, don't use the blender. We will just mix them up with the help of a spatula. And if you don't like much chunks, then you can mash them up more, but I don't mind the chunks, rather I like the chunks. So you can see in my batter that there are chunks visible. You can do it in 2 to 3 times. Softly mix them up so that you don't kill the air pockets, which is the main key in baking. So I have added in 2 to 3 portions, and softly just mix them up with the help of spatula, and make sure don't over mix it. So after that we are folding it into the bread pan, which we already oiled up. So just shake it to eliminate any air bubbles into that batter, and then put it in the oven for, like, it really depends on your oven. Like in my conventional oven, I put it there for 20 minutes at 200 degree centigrade.